morning from a beautiful morning in Oppdal. Today's plan is actually follow the route towards the Atlantic Road and then towards Åndalsnes. So we're very excited to start the day. We're gonna head to breakfast and just hit the road. We're all excited to start the day, so let's ride.
Oh, I highly recommend the hotel we were staying at. It was absolutely beautiful. The stuff was amazing. The breakfast was just wow. Wow. I can put down where we stayed at so you know exactly the name of the hotel. I do highly recommend if you are going towards Atlantic Road through Oppdal, then definitely stay here. It is so beautiful. And these are the views when you are then continuing towards the Atlantic Road. Oh yeah, that's the thing that we're doing today. I forgot to mention actually.
Close up of the operation. Hands of the surgeon.
It's like a transplant, organ transplant.
Put it on bypass, yeah?
Oh yeah. So, yeah.
So we've been stuck here for about 2 hours now. Can you hear the sound? That is a sound of bike not starting. What does that mean? Well, we are going to have to pull the bike with this trailer towards the closest garage, which is Molde. So these are the sad moments, but unfortunately these things happen. The bike has to go to the shop to get checked. We couldn't figure out what was wrong. There were at one point 13 people trying to figure out what was wrong. So unfortunately the bike has to go, and I will have to take a car to continue on the road, and probably I will have to also finish the tour with a car. Things happen, unfortunately. However, we are not stopping. We are going to continue, and we are going to go to the Atlantic Road still today. We're gonna make it. It is 7 p.m. and we are still stuck in Kristiansund. This has been absolutely horrible today. The views have been amazing, but the bike did break down. Therefore, we had to manage to get a second car, and that is second vehicle, and that is a car. Unfortunately, we cannot continue as 5 motorcyclists, which really sucks. We're about to ride in Atlantic Ocean Road, and then we're gonna continue to ferry until we get to Åndalsnes, to our hotel. But that is still another 3 hours of ride. So I think we're going to be riding until midnight today, which really is bad. We really do not enjoy that. We don't want to be riding for such long distances and long hours, but well, we need to get to the hotel, we need to rest and be fresh and ready for tomorrow. And fingers crossed, no more bikes break down. Really did not expect driving in Atlantic Ocean Road in a car. I hate it. But we are here. We are here. We are driving the Atlantic Ocean Road. And I don't have words. Beautiful, beautiful, so excited. Okay, we didn't make it on the bike, or I didn't make it on the bike, but I'm so happy I'm here. This is up close, stunning, beautiful. Almost midnight. In 5 minutes we're finally arriving to our hotel. What a day, what a day. Oh my god. But thank you everybody for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in a next video from riding day number 3, which hopefully will be much better than today, and no more bikes break down so we can ride Trollstigen.